Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have a dual channel TENS muscle stimulator to help with all those aches and pains. Alright, so right here we have the powered muscle stimulator. This offers 24 modes, 20 intensities. It's got 40-hour usage with circulation, and it's also included a belt clip. So let's go ahead and make our way inside the box to see what you get inside this box. And first off, you can actually see the device itself. So we're just going to put that aside. And now we're going to dig into the bottom of it. So it does give you a little carrying bag. So when you're on the go, you can take it with you. And this thing right here is where you can put your pads at. You can stick them to it. So whenever you want to use it again, you don't have to pull them off the little plastic. You can just stick to that. And right here are your little pads. So you get a few small ones. They're very sticky at the bottom. So you get a good connection. You get a couple longer ones. And then you get a few medium ones. These are great for the back, and you can see the little plugs in here. You get the plugs. You get two of the plugs, as you can see right here. And each one of these ends will go into the little pads. They'll just slide in here like that and just go in there. And then the other portion goes into the machine. So you get two of those. And you also get a belt clip. So when you're out jogging or around and you don't want to put it in your pockets, you can just put it on the belt clip. And here is a Type-C charging cable. And then inside this box, you can see the user manual. This basically just tells you how to run this, where you never to apply the pads at, which would be the head, the mouth, the neck. And then you got some notices here and how to use it when you're, how to charge it, where to place it, what you do after you're done using this. So just some helpful information here. So now let's make our way into the device itself. So it's really lightweight, thin. They got your power, your time. You've got all your little buttons and your middle button. On the side, you have your plus up and your minus down. It's on both sides. This little device offers up to 24 modes, which are pre-programmed modes that can offer all-around help to relieve your pain. You have continue mode, which customizes your pain relief time, no longer restricted by the time. So each one of these have a mode. This runs 40 hours. It's a rechargeable, long-lasting lithium battery. So that's a great thing when you want to use it for a little bit longer. So there's your time. You've got your battery display, your TENS, your EMS. And then you have your massages. So you can change it by pushing the menu button. So this device is a nice little device to have to get to those aches and pains and sore muscles. I use this for my aches and pains. I love it. This one here is easy to take with you. I like the fact that it does give you a little belt clip. So when you're out jogging or whatever, you can still use this while having it connected to the belt clip. You do get extra pads, which is a good thing, and a carrying case. So if you're out on a vacation, whatever, and you don't want to have it in your pocket, this little carrying bag is a great thing to have.